Hi guys, I would like to share with you a bad experience I had with a new NATO strap together with my Seiko SRP502. I was very excited when I got it because I felt it suits the watch very well. But what actually happened is I put it on the wrist, and as the pin of the buckle is too short, on slight pressure actually it falls through. As you can see, it falls through the buckle, and what happens then is the gravity takes over and the watch is not secured anymore to your wrist, and it falls to the ground. In my case, it fell onto a gravel path, obviously face down, and the crystal got chipped. I don't know whether you can see it in the video. It's in the area between 4 and 6 o'clock in that sector. I have several chips, rock chips. I don't know whether you can see that in the video. Very annoying, this whole story. I wrote to the supplier, and she was very sorry, but all I got was a replacement bracelet, which I got here. This time the buckle is long enough, so it won't fall through. But I just wanted to share this with you and see whether some of you had similar experiences. Just be aware that you should always check whether the buckle or the pin is long enough so the watch will be secured to the wrist. Otherwise you will have the same or similar mishap as happened to me. What I will do to this watch, I ordered a replacement crystal. I opted for sapphire crystal. As you might know, this model has a hardlex crystal, and I went for a sapphire crystal from Crystal Times. And first I thought I'm going to do it myself, but I would have to buy the press, and so this in the end I don't do it, and I just inform myself with a local watchmaker, and it's about $20 to replace it. So I won't do it myself. I will show you the watch once I have done, or the job is done, and please leave comments below about your experience with bracelets, with NATO straps, or bracelets in general where you had similar experiences. Okay, don't forget to leave a like if you wish so, and see you next time.